Right, here's another equation with two variables, and it says to express y in terms of x. So really when it says to express y, it's saying solve for y. So solve for 1y. For 1y. So we are going to look through these steps. These are generic steps to kind of solve any equation. So some might not apply, but we'll take a look. So it says to get a common denominator. We see on this left-hand side that we have two fractions, and so we're going to get a common denominator, and in this case it is 4. And so we need to multiply this first one by 2 over 2. So 2 times 3y is 6y, and then we have this plus 1 equals 3x. Okay, and then it says to distribute. We have nothing to distribute, so we're done with that step. Then it says to combine like terms. So we look at the left side and there's no like terms to combine because 6y and 1 are not like terms. You can, when you add and subtract, they have to have the same variables. Then it says to eliminate the fractions. So since we have this divided by 4 here, the inverse is to multiply both sides by 4. So this cancels here. So we're left with 6y plus 1 equals 3x times, maybe I should make that a little bit clearer, times 4. So 3x times 4 is 12y. And we can multiply those because we are multiplying. They don't need to be like terms when we multiply. Okay, so we are expressing y in terms of x, so we eliminated the fractions. We need to get the variable term alone. So the variable term in this case is our 6y, since we're solving for y. So in order to get that alone, we have to subtract 1 from both sides. So we have 6y equals 12x minus 1. Now that we have it all alone, we need to solve for a single variable. So we know we have 6 of our y's equal 12x minus 1. So if we multiply in here, then we need to divide both sides by 6. So y equals 12x minus 1 divided by 6. Technically this is correct, but let's simplify this down a little bit more. And so what we can say is y equals 12x over 6 minus 1 over 6. And then we can simplify down the 12x over 6 just to 2x. And then we have still this minus 1/6. And so we have y equals 2x minus 1/6.